Hi guys, so for this week's design I'm using an image plate that I got from Bornprettystore. That will be linked down below along with a 10% off code as well that they very kindly given me. So to get started on this design I have painted my nails white and I'm now going to do some sponging. So I'm going for a kind of beach water look effect. You'll see obviously once we get to the next stage, but for the base we're going to use these three colours and sponge them onto the nail. So this is the image plate that I'll be using that I was sent from Bornprettystore to review. It is Nicole Diary 172 and it's got these kind of bubble water effects on it. So I've used slightly different ones. I used the three top ones. I did use that one as well, my pinky, but I wasn't as keen on how it looked on this design. So I've just used a random amount, a random few from the top instead. So that is it for this simple design. I think it looks really cool, just looks like a sea effect, and that is what I was aiming for. So as I said, there's a discount code down below if you do want to buy anything from the Bornprettystore, and I'll leave linked this image plate as well.